Hi guys, welcome to my workshop. Well, my name's Mike and I'm fixing up the legendary trimaran, Free Spirit. She is an absolute beast, 50 feet long, 24 feet wide. She was the biggest trimaran in the world when she was built in 1968, and I'm fixing her up. It's a big job, but it's super fun, and one of the most unique parts about this boat is a workshop that I can stand up in. So this was the aft cabin is how it was designed in this boat, and you can still see here the bunk right here where someone could sleep. I don't know whether it was designed with the autopilot. I doubt in 1968 that an autopilot looked the same as this, but you can see here this is the steering quadrant. So the steering leads back here. It's going to be cable that goes to chain in the engine room, and that's connected to the big wheel, the ship's wheel that steers the boat. Well, this right here is the autopilot, and that kind of cuts into your leg room when you're sleeping here. This is a single berth. The old owner said he used to sleep here every once in a while. He's a small guy, but I still don't know whether his feet would have cleared that autopilot. So it's been converted into a full workshop, and the previous owner absolutely stoked me out because he left me everything. You can see tools, parts, every nut and bolt you could ever need, a vise, a grinder, polisher. I mean, are you kidding me? Well, let's go through this little by little and see what we can find in here. It's an absolutely awesome place for a boat owner. Yeah, it's like one of the places where you can go and like find everything and actually stand up and do your work on a bench. Man, on most boats you got to do this like on the dining table. So this is one of the biggest luxuries. Also, right here is access to the engine. So here's my diesel right here, battery bank right here, everything accessible. There's my fuel tanks. We'll do a whole tour of the engine room at some point here too, but let's kind of take a look around here, see what we can find. We've got kind of all the handy stuff that you might need in a hurry, little wrench, little WD-40. Right up here is our solar charge controller. We have solar, we have wind power. We're getting some wind power into the batteries right now. And over here is our inverter, which gives us our 120. We only have one power outlet in the kitchen. That's kind of limiting. We might expand that a little bit. We've got more tools, literally every nut and bolt you could ever need. Wow, it's incredible. Let's just look. I mean, there's like 100 bolts in there. Oh, look at this. There's even some grease or so. Yeah, gear grease for the. This is rebuild stuff for the winches. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, man. Yeah, I don't even know everything that's in here. So you're discovering this stuff with me. And you can see he was extremely organized. Everything is marked. Caulking and sealant, cable clamps, zincs and anodes, carpentry hardware, mast and sail hardware, nylon plumbing fittings, awning hardware. And then back here, more stuff. And you can see a hot gun, hot knife, glue gun, some painting stuff, miscellaneous brake cleaner, lubricant, silicone spray. We've got some C-clamps. We've got paint for the boat. We've got all kinds of paints that he left me. What do we have up here? Oh, little sail coat, dry lubricant. Oh, look at these are some old. Wow, that is old. I don't even know. Let's see. What is this? Tapmatic. Something fluid. I don't think I'll be putting this into anything, so that's going to go in this. This is my trash box. I've already started a trash box with just stuff that's either too old. I mean, stuff like this. I just have no idea what it is. That's going to go in the trash. Some sort of oil, slow cure epoxy. Yeah, I'm not going to be using that. Let's see, what do we got? Anti-bond 2015 cleans and debonds. Cured and uncured marine and automotive polyurethane adhesives. This, I mean, it has the year 2015 on it. It's 2025. I'm going to say goodbye to that. Ooh, look at this one. Looks like some PVC cement, possibly. That's going to go in the trash pile. This is my new one, so I'm going to keep that one. I already bought that one. What's this? Silicone grease, 100% pure. Can we open it? Oh, there it goes. I mean, that might do. Might need that for something. So I'm gonna do a bunch of cleaning. You can tell there's some mildew in here. I'm gonna clean up these shelves. Here's a look at, there's the, apparently I didn't see this number on any of the other documentation. I'll have to check that out. And then this is mine. I brought my electric trolling motor for the dinghy, but the dinghy has a came with a motor too, so I won't be using this at the moment. Down here again, here's the steering quadrant. This is what steers the rudder. The rudder right below us, right there. And there's something really funny here. I'll have to show you. And this is because I was a restaurant owner, and the old owner of this boat was also in food service for a long time. And I know he was in food service now for sure, because half the containers in here are food service hotel pans. and the lids that go with them. He definitely rated work for some of these containers. This too, this looks like something from food service. We've got 1/2-inch sockets. We've got, oh, look at this. Oh, wrenches galore. We've got more sockets. And over here, this is kind of an electrical box. This is a charger I don't think I have any use for. And then, oh, these are my jigsaws. But everything else in here, look at this, good stuff. Pretty much everything I'll need to fix this boat right in this workshop. Oh, and down here, holy moly, more stuff. Let's see, Allen wrenches. Yep. What do we got here? This is some sort of ultra torch. This is some sort of electric. Ooh, scary. Some sort of, oh no, there's some sort of liquid in here. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some research on those. Some sort of a torch. There's some little extra wood down here. You can make like some backing plates or something for that, for the boat. Let's see, chisels. Got some chisels. Yeah, these are nice. Ooh, that's a big one. Rivet and gun. Rivets and gun. Ooh, this is great. Oh, I have a rivet gun. I wanted one of these. Super stoked on that. Awesome. And what else do you have down here? Oh, some files. These are great. Let's see something else back here. More nuts and bolts. And then Let's see, more screws of every size. Wow, this is awesome. Washers. More screws. I'm guessing more. Oh, this is incredible. The old owner had this boat for 20 years. Ooh, and here's some hand saws back here. Oh, miter box back there. And so yeah, he gathered everything. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Looks like that looks like an alternator. And then yeah, look at that right there. That looks like an alternator. And some pulleys. And that kind of looks like a starter in the bag right there. Okay. And down here, wow, kind of a mess. I looked at this. This is extra blades for my wind generator turbine. And then looks like some extension cords, hose, funnels, various oils and coolant. Might have to go through some of this too. Some of this might be old. He kept everything. Oh yeah, this epoxy too was looking like I don't really feel like smearing it on my boat. It's gonna go away. And yeah, I got some pretty expensive yacht enamels here that are pretty full actually. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do some cleaning. There's obviously some mildew, and this window has seen better days, but a little bit of caulk, a little bit of paint. We can probably keep this going for a while. Yeah, I'm going to do a little bit more cleanup. Again, here's that front side with the engine room. Oh yeah, surfboard leash, awesome. And yeah, here's where the steering enters the engine room right here. Gonna have to kind of check all that, make sure it's all good. And once again, here's like the main workbench area. Again, I'll probably clean this up. I mean, maybe paint it, but you're just gonna get it greasy and dirty again anyway. So, well, anyways, that is a tour of my stand-up workshop. I am so stoked on this thing. It's probably one of the coolest parts of having a trimaran like this. You just have so much room. Yeah, I mean, I can put more stuff in here if I need to for, you know, storage. Man, so stoked. Thanks for following along. See you guys next time.